All right, so it's time to explore transformations, okay? So take your first thing. I'm going to do number 1 with you, and you're going to do the rest of it on your own. Okay, so we have this first equation here. We need to see where's the vertex. So let's type it in. Y equals x squared. Graph. Where's the vertex? It's right here at 0, 0. So it starts off at 0, 0. Then we're given this equation. What do you predict is going to happen to the graph based off of this? It changed from x squared to x squared plus 2. My guess is that it'll move up. Okay, that's my guess. It'll move up 2. Let's see what actually happens. Y equals x squared plus 2. Graph. Yeah, that's exactly what it did. It moved up 2. Surprise, surprise, I was right. It's almost like I'm a math teacher. So it moved up 2. It looks like it got thinner. It didn't actually. It just moved up, okay? It didn't actually get any thinner. So what's the vertex after the transformation? Okay? It's right here at 0, 2. So the new vertex is 0, 2. What is the actual effect that happened to the graph? So this one doesn't necessarily have to be right. That's what you think might happen to the graph. Then you put over here what actually did happen. It went up 2. Okay? So that's what you're going to do for the rest of the graphs. Be sure you do all steps. Vertex. What do you think will happen? Draw the graph. Where's the new vertex? What really happened? Okay? All this must be filled in when you turn it in to get credit. Be sure to submit your answers online and turn it in. Then go pick up your STAAR packet, your STAAR test corrections. Do those corrections so that you can make 100 on your warm-up tomorrow. All right? Let me know if you need any help, and good luck.